It might look simple, but there is a lot going on under the hood here. Today I am unboxing a small but mighty piece of tech that AOHI Adonis USB 4 2.0 cable. And trust me, this tiny cable packs a huge punch, up to 240 watts of power and Thunderbolt 5 compatibility. Also, quick heads up. Today's video is a special collaboration between AOHI and myself. They have even hooked up you guys with an exclusive discount. More on that in just a second. Hey, this is HabibReshad and welcome back to the channel. Alright, so the box itself is pretty clean, black and minimalistic design, which always appreciate. Let's open and pop it up. And first thing inside we have got the black matte pouch, and inside this the cable itself wrapped really neatly. No extra accessories, but honestly when you're buying a cable like this, you're here for performance, not extra things. Something like fancy, but you will get the manual, a nice pouch, and this awesome fancy cable. Wow, the first thing I noticed, this feels premium. The braided material is super tough and the cable itself is flimsy, which is going to play a crucial role while using with the different accessories. Definitely not cheap plastic vibes. The connector feels solid and metallic. No loose parts, no cheap clicks. You can just tell this thing is built to survive in daily abuse. Now, the juicy part. This is a USB 4 2.0 cable. That means data transfer speed is up to 18 gigahertz, full Thunderbolt 5 support, and the big one 240 watts charging power. That's insane. Like you could charge a gaming laptop, a MacBook Pro, or even a full docking station. No sweet. Plus, it backward compatible with USB 3.2, 2.0 on Thunderbolt 3 and Thunderbolt 4. Now let's get into the specs more in depth because this cable is seriously packed with the next gen feature. First up, you're getting the next generation speed and performance up to 120 gigabytes and directional and 80 gigabytes bidirectional transfer speeds. Perfect for massive file transfer, smooth 4K videos streaming, and high performance computing like AI, VR, and AR projects. It also supports an ultimate visual experience. You can run double 8K display, double 6K display, or even triple 4K at 144 Hz. That's a dream setup for graphic designers, video editors, and content creators working with the high-res 3D visuals like myself. Absolutely, it connects seamlessly with all USB Type-C devices, including the Mac Mini M4 Pro, M4 that I have, the Thunderbolt 5 and 4 USB 4 gadgets, high-speed SSD, and dock station and NDU interface. It even supports DisplayPort 2.1 and feature-proofs your setup with the bind white boost features. Fast charging is awesome. Your tower it uses the PD 3.1 technology to deliver up to 240 watts ultra fast charging. To give you an idea, it can restore 50% battery to a MacBook Pro in just 30 minutes. It is insane. I have myself the Jovi power station. I'm using this cable to charge my MacBook Pro and it works flawlessly. For the Apple user, especially myself, this cable is built for iPhone 60 and 50 series too, unlocking full USB-C potential with 10 gigabytes data transfer speed. That's 40x faster than your typical 450 Mbps cable. Currently, I'm using the Samsung T5 and T7. I'm popping that into my iPhone 50 sometimes for recording. Let's talk about the pros and cons of this awesome cable. First thing, super durable. The second thing, insane speed and power delivery, perfect for heavy users. Cheaper than the Apple Thunderbolt 5, which is around 69 bucks. And you can get this in a much less price with the same and professional quality. Okay, so this all about the pros. Let's talk about one cons that I think it's a little bit pricier than the regular USB Type-C cables. But honestly, you're paying for a serious upgrade. And if you think you're going to buy a cable for next 5 years, this is the future. This cable will allow you to get more speed and more power to your devices. why you should buy it. If you're a gamer, a content creator like myself, or just someone who tired of cheap cables giving up on you, this cable is honestly a no-brainer. If you're just charging your earbuds, probably a later overkill, but for anything serious, 100% worth it. And like I mentioned earlier, because this video is a part of collaboration with AOHI, they are giving you an exclusive 50% off any purchase from their website. Just use the discount code which is on the screen, and I will leave the direct link in the description below. So if you want to check out this cable or anything else from AOHI, it's just one click away, and it will also help me to make videos like this for your review. That's it for today's quick unboxing and review. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Also, let me know in the comment what device would you use a 240-watt cable like this for. I would love to hear about that. Thank you.